Hey, if you wonder if the Xiaomi Watch 2 measures the heart rate correctly, I can check this by making the small comparison into the pulse oximeter. So for sure I'm gonna measure this on the same hand. Now I'm gonna switch from the blood oxygen level into the heart rate. And now as you can see I've got the 75, but it was actually 4 minutes ago. So I have to go back from this one and open it one more time. There we go. Now it is actually measuring. Now let's do this. Let's do the same on the pulse oximeter. So I've got like 72, 73, 74, and on the pulse oximeter I've got something different. It's around 85, 84, 83, 82. Right here we've got 77. Right now it is going close to each other. 76 to 73. Okay, right now it's really close, the 72 to 73. So yesterday I was also testing the Watch S3, and the results was like 2 or 3 bitrate per minute less on the Watch S3 than on the pulse oximeter, and it looks the same on this watch too. That's actually the old one. That's actually 72 from the 1 minute ago. Currently I've got around 80, 81. So yeah, when you are resting, it is measuring the heart rate like this. I assume that this device is actually accurate. I get it from the medical stall, so yeah. If you have any tips for this kind of the video, I'm just recording this video for like second time. I mean this kind of the video for like second time. So if you have any tips or advice, just give them in the comments. I'm really interested. And that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.